Yo, what's going on, guys? It's dmikeyy here, back with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Mic Mini. I'm super excited about this, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get in the box and whether it's worth it or not. All right, let's take a look at the box. So on the front, we have the DJI Mic Mini along with the charging case. On the side, we have DJI.com. On the back, it tells you more about the specifications of the microphone itself and what it's compatible with. And then we got their logo on the side here. Really nice compact packaging. All right, let's go open up this box. So it looks like we're gonna have a bag here with DJI's logo. Let's open up this packaging. Looks like it's just sealed with a little bit of adhesive. And then we have this nice fabric bag with the DJI tag on it. And yeah, pretty nice, pretty clean, compact, really nice to carry along with you wherever you go. We'll set those aside. Set that aside. You get everything out of the bag and then we can move on. So there's nothing else in the bag. Pretty nice. All right, now that we got everything out of the box and out of the bag, let's open this up. Looks like these are gonna be our windscreens, if I can get into them. I think it comes with 4 maybe. There's 1, there's 2. So it comes with 4 different windscreens. We got gray and black versions. Goes on top of the transmitter for the microphone. Moving along, it looks like we're gonna have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable to link it up to your camera if you need that. So this will allow you to link that receiver straight into your camera, which is really nice. And then it looks like this is gonna be the charging cable for the charging case. And then moving on to the microphone charging case and the microphones, we've got these guys. Press to unlock. Kind of weird packaging. We gotta pull this off first. So you're gonna press this tab in. That'll allow you to lift up the case. So right away, you'll see a charging indicator or a battery indicator, which is really nice. And then here we have the receiver. Super clean. Let's see how small that is. Wow. Very small. You do have a gain dial on the side here, so you can go 0, +6, +12. And that does have a sort of feedback, so you don't flip that without wanting to. And then you have a -6 and a -12 on there as well, which is really nice. And then I'm pretty sure these are gonna be your indicators for your microphone. So if I take one of these out, it should link up. Let's see. There you go. The 1 lights up. So that's telling you that microphone 1 is linked to the receiver. So the transmitter itself is extremely small. I mean, this is insane. This probably weighs about 10 grams. So you can use both the clip on the back to clip it to your shirt, or you could use this magnet. So you can put this behind your shirt and then snap that right to the microphone. And it's super lightweight. It's not gonna weigh down your shirt at all, which is really, really nice. And then in here, we also have the USB-C adapter. So you can plug this receiver straight into your phone. So that's how it's compatible with newer iPhones with the USB-C. So that's really, really nice. And then this is just a rubber tab, it looks like. So they do make a lightning one of these, and then that will fit right in this box right there. So pretty nice. So looking at this iPhone receiver, it looks like you just have to slide this in, and that makes contact with the receiver. Let's try to do this real quick. You line up those arrows. You should just be able to slide that right into place. And then that will go straight into the bottom of your iPhone to then pick up the microphone signals. So really, really nice. And one thing to note is that this does still fit in the box. So This is going to make contact with the charging case. However, they make a nice little spot in here so that you can just pop this right back in and you'll be good to go. You don't have to unplug that adapter to go into your iPhone, which is super, super nice. So you can just close that up and you are ready to rock. All right, so I'm gonna put one of the windscreens on and then we're gonna do a test run or a trial run of what it sounds like. Let's see if we can figure this out. Looks like there's two little tabs. So you gotta get those on the back. They're gonna clip into these little indentations in the back. So let's do that. Put those where they belong. And then it clips right on just like that. That's really, really simple. So that's your windscreen on the microphone itself. Looks really, really nice. It's very soft material. And I'm gonna plug this into my iPhone and we're gonna do a side-by-side test of my iPhone microphone and then the DJI Mic Mini. So here we go. All right, so I switched you guys over to my other camera and this is on my iPhone 16 Pro camera as well as microphone. So this is me talking, hello, testing, testing, testing. And this is me using the DJI Mic Mini. Hello, hello, testing, testing, testing. So as you guys can see, there's definitely a difference. There's not much noise with this one. I haven't tried pinning it to my shirt just yet, but I would like to try that out. There is a button on here. The power button itself, if you click that one, I'm gonna click it right now. It's gonna activate that yellow light on the side. If that yellow light on the side is active, then that is doing active noise cancellation. So that's taking all that surrounding noise and that's gonna take that away. So I don't know if you guys can hear the difference, but that's with noise cancellation on. And this is me with the DJI Mic Mini on my shirt. I'm using the magnet to attach it to my shirt. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Hello, testing, testing. It's really lightweight. It's very compact. It's not weighing down my shirt at all. I can barely even feel it's on my shirt, which is really, really nice. So yeah. So I actually picked this up from Amazon for about $80, and that comes with 2 transceivers and 1 receiver along with the charging case. So honestly, I think it's a pretty good deal if you're trying to make more IRL content and stuff like that. So I do recommend this product, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.